The pH of unknown solution using universal pH paper, right? Universal pH paper, as you know, right? The pH varies from pH 1 to pH 14 and different colors with different pH you can see. So what if you do? Suppose you take universal pH paper here, right? Give it here one by one. Just make some distance and give. Slowly. Make some distance and give. Some distance is required. Okay. Some distance, not all. Okay, we can take one more plate from here. One more plate you can take. Tiles, na? You can take. One more tiles you can take. Okay. And you can give here. Some you can give here. Okay. Some you can give here. Now, so what do we do? Switch off the fan. This is not due to fan, na? It is due to some insect. So let us take sulfuric acid. One drop of sulfuric acid. Okay, and we can give a drop over the pH paper we have given. So what is the color now? Color is, you note down the color in your copy.
Orange.
And we will match this color with the universal pH paper. So color is pink, you can see. And what is the pH below? Just see.
2.
कितना है pH below?
2.
2 है? 2 है या 3 है? Just see.
2 sir.
One come over here and see. What color matches and what is the pH value? 2. 2. Okay, note down. Please note down. pH value 2 is what? Highly acidic. You just show focus here only, huh? In the vertical. So some distance. Keep some distance. Keep some distance and do. Okay. So pH value 7 is neutral. Less than 7 is acidic. More than 7 is basic. The pH from 7 to 1 pH acidic character increases and 7 to 14 basic character increases, right? And 7 is exactly neutral. So pH 2 we have done. So one more. Select one of you come. Take one drop from hydrochloric acid. You take one drop. Come here. Only one drop is required, na? And here you give one drop. Only one drop you give.
Liquid.
Okay. You match the color. Okay.
1 sir.
pH?
1.
Okay. Just one more student come and see. One more. Girls can come and see. pH क्या है? Come and see. pH कितना है? 3 is telling. One more come.
2.
Come and see. थोड़ा इस गैप दो तो थोड़ा लाइट आना दो. थोड़ा लाइट आना दो. pH 2. One more come and see. Color is orange, na? Orange. pH value is 2. Okay. Please note down. For HCl also pH value is 2. That one girl come and take. The third one is acidic acid. You can show here. Come and show here. Come and show here. This side is show. This from this side. This one is sulfuric acid. This one is hydrochloric acid. This one is acidic acid. Then this one is ammonia. You can see here it is ammonia. Dilute solution we have taken. And this one is sodium carbonate solution. This one is sodium bicarbonate solution. And this one is sodium hydroxide solution. And in between you can take water also. One wash bottle you can take. Wash bottle you take from here. Wash bottle. Quickly. Yes. So in neutral also we one, na? So for neutral we will take water. Give me one test tube from here. Test it. Will do. So in this test tube, from here also you can take water. You can take, right? Water we will take in between. Okay, this is water. So, okay, let us come and continue. Let one girl come and take the third one. Third one is acetic acid. Come and take. One drop you take. You can wash from here. Give it here. Okay. Keep it there. Okay. Acetic acid, pH below how much coming it is?
Like color is maybe 4, sir.
4.
No,
Four or something.
4 ना 3.
3.
3 ना light pink. Okay. तो light दिखाओ इधर light दिखाओ. उसे खोल दो. pH below 3 for dilute acetic acid. Right?
Yes, sir.
Come. Next. From this side one. Chloe. Come this side. You take which one? Next one is? Okay, next one what you will do? Water we have kept here. Here, na?
Oh, yes, sir.
So water will keep here. Water will keep. So water let us see. Give. We have to wait for some time. I think water, why it is coming like this? Wait. pH will you match?
Yellow.
Yellow आ रहा है water का इतना means यहाँ पे that means tape water is it should be around 7 ना. So once more you do take water. But this time you take from wash not from here. From this wash bottle you take. From this wash bottle you give 1 drop of water here. Here you give 1 drop.
Please,
Just
sir.
click, just take this one and press here. One name and let us see. एक खोला था no problem. You give over here, tight करो. Now you give. तो इतना सामने से.
नहीं सर ब्राइटनेस दिखता नहीं है ना.
Okay.
Why?
दूसरा वाला में गिर गया था.
रुको.
ये बोतल काम
हाँ ये बोतल कम नहीं करना.
वो सर बोतल को वो कर देता है ना
ये
तो
से
पाइप पानी
ये कर दिया ना. Okay. So what we will do? One beaker you take. One beaker you take.
Ano? Mas pamili.
One beaker you take. One beaker. Okay, in test tube you can take. You take camera. Okay, water let us see here. This water is what? pH कितना है इसका? Little bit greenish आ रहा है ना इसका?
हाँ सर.
ये तो बिल्कुल नहीं आया, but इसका थोड़ा 6 जैसा 5-6 जैसा आ रहा है ना. Let us see after some time water, हाँ. तो थोड़ा slightly acidic it seems. Take water. Okay, keep it. Now next come. Water we'll see after some time. Okay. Water को रखो. And next we got one boy come. Please. You just clean it with water first, huh? And next one is which one is next one? Just see here. See here. Okay, no problem. No, you take from here. Which one is next? This one. Which one is what? Ammonium hydroxide. So ammonium hydroxide, let us see. Water we will see at the end. Okay, after some time the color will change.
एमोनियम ऑक्साइड ना सर एमोनियम
1 drop you give. Okay, good. A4. Good. So ammonium hydroxide, you see what is the color? Color is which one missing?
11 sir.
Which one?
11 sir. 10 sir. 10.
10. So light blue actually 10. Okay. Thank you. So next one more. One more boy will come. Please come over here. Come here. Straight. Close, huh? More. Next, which one? This one, right? This one is sodium. Where is sodium? Sodium carbonate.
ये वाला 11 हुआ सर एमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड
11, no problem.
11
Okay, put over here. Okay. So now what is the color coming? This one color is. देखो इसका तो ब्लूइश आ रहा है ना.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ तो इसका क्या कलर होगा?
ये वो नीचे वाला सर 10 11 9 होगा सर
11. और ये वाला?
10 सर वो वाला
Okay. ये 9 या 10, right? 9 से, right? And this one is 11.
हाँ
Sodium carbonate is 11. Means navy blue color you can see here, na? This one is navy blue color. Okay. Now next one girl come. Anyone?